Hydrostatics. This topic is there in naval architecture syllabus. What do you mean by hydro? Hydro means water and statics means rest. So here water is at rest. The question is, if water is at rest, does it exert any force? Suppose we have a water here in a tank. Does it exert any force on the side wall, on the bottom plate? Answer is yes. You can check. Let's do one experience. Just make some hole over here. Water will fall down like this here. Whereas if you carefully observe at this location, water will fall down like this. It means depending upon the height, water exerts force on the wall. Yes, many seafarer experiences this. Submarine is experiencing hydrostatic force with some height. It means water is exerting force if it is at some height. That force is called as hydrostatic force. Then why we are studying this hydrostatic subject here? There are many cases. You just see. For example, we have double bottom tanks. They are filled up with some liquid. One is water, another is oil. Yeah. So this seawater and oil both are exerting force on the bulkhead. And if these bulkheads are not welded properly, there will be weld stress generated, and that is responsible for breakdown. That is responsible for damage of that compartment. So that's why you should know how much amount of force is exerted by water if water is at some height. That is studied in this topic. Okay, so one thing it is clear, this hydrostatic pressure is directly proportional to height. As height increases, pressure also increases. It is also depending upon density. For example, this submarine is there at 100-meter height. It is in sea water. Another submarine is there which is at a height of 100 meter, but it is in a river water. So this submarine will experience less force because this pressure is also dependent on the density and acceleration due to gravity. So pressure, hydrostatic pressure is equal to rho GH. And what is the pressure? Pressure is equal to force upon area. It means force is equal to pressure into area. It means pressure is rho GH into area. So hydrostatic force is found out by using rho GHA formula. Okay, so this hydrostatic force in the numerical, they will ask to find hydrostatic force on side wall or on the bottom plate. Okay, thank you.